Bumili si Maria ng tinapay or si Maria ay bumili ng tinapay. It means Maria bought bread. Bili is buy and then tinapay is bread. Nagluto ang nanay ng ulam. Ang nanay ay nagluto ng ulam. When we say luto, that's cook. Nanay is mother. Ulam is like a dish. Yes, it's a dish. Okay, mother cooked a dish. Kumain ang bata ng mansanas. Ang bata ay kumain ng mansanas. Kain means eat. Kumain, past tense, ate. A bata is a child and then a mansanas is an apple. So the child ate an apple. Sumulat si Juan ng liham or si Juan ay sumulat ng liham. So, sulat means write, sumulat is past tense, wrote, and then a liham is a letter. So, Juan wrote a letter. Nagbasa ang guro ng libro. Ang guro ay nagbasa ng libro. Basa means read, nagbasa is read, past tense, a guro is a teacher, and then a libro is a book. So, the teacher read a book. Uminom ako ng tubig. Ako ay uminom ng tubig. Inom is like drink. Uminom past tense, drunk. And then tubig is water. So I drank water. Natulog ang pusa sa kama. Ang pusa ay natulog sa kama. The cat slept on the bed. Tulog means sleep and then a pusa is a cat and then a kama is the bed. Naglaro ang mga bata sa parke. Ang mga bata ay naglaro sa parke. That naglaro is like past tense, so played. Laro is play. And then bata is a child, mga bata, children, and then parke is a park. So the children played in the park. Kumakanta si Sarah ng kanta. Si Sarah ay kumakanta ng kanta. That means kanta is sing, and then kanta is a song. So Sarah sings or sang a song. Sumayaw si Jose sa party. Si Jose ay sumayaw sa party. Sayaw means dance. Sumayaw is past tense, so danced. And then a party is a party. So Jose danced at the party. Nakita ko ang ibon sa puno. Ang ibon ay nakita ko sa puno. Kita is like can see. Nakita is past tense, saw, and then an ibon is a bird, a puno is a tree. So I saw the bird in the tree. Narinig namin ang kulog. Ang kulog ay narinig namin. So rinig is like hear, can hear. Narinig is heard, past tense. And then a kulog is a thunder. So we heard the thunder. Binili niya ang bagong kotse. Ang bagong kotse ay binili niya. So, bili is like buy. Binili is bought, past tense. And bago is new. And then a kotse is a car. So, he or she bought the new car. Kinain nila ang lahat na pagkain. Or ang lahat na pagkain ay kinain nila. They kain is like eat. So, kinain is ate. Past tense, lahat is everything. And then pagkain is food. So, it means they ate all the food. Nilinis ko ang bahay kahapon. Ang bahay ay nilinis ko kahapon. Linis means clean. Nilinis is like cleaned. And then bahay house kahapon yesterday. So I cleaned the house yesterday. Pupunta kami sa Baguio sa Sabado. Kami ay pupunta sa Baguio sa Sabado. So pupunta will go. Yes, punta means to go. And then kami is us. Baguio is city in the Philippines. And then Sabado is Saturday. So we will go to Baguio on Saturday. Nag-aral sila ng Ingles. Sila ay nag-aral ng Ingles. Aral means study. Nag-aral is past tense, so studied. And then Ingles is English. They studied English. Nanalo ang kuponan namin. Ang kuponan namin ay nanalo. So nanalo is like won, panalo. And then a kuponan is like a team. And then namin is our. So our team won. Tumubo ang mga halaman sa hardin. Ang mga halaman sa hardin ay tumubo. Tutubo means to grow. Halaman is a plant. mga halaman, plants, and then a jardín is a garden. So the plants grew in the garden. Nawala ang susi ko. Ang susi ko ay nawala. So nawala is like lost. And then a susi is a key. So I lost my key.